Today, I'm going to be making over Cristiano Ronaldo. Hey guys, Steven the Salon Guy here. So today I'm doing another haircut makeover video, and it seems like you guys are enjoying this series so far. And if you have any requests, please leave them in the comments below. This is really gonna be exciting, and I'm really gonna be putting a lot of effort into this. So today, I'm making over the one and only Cristiano Ronaldo, who not only is he an amazing soccer player, but his hair has been one of the most popular haircuts and searched haircuts over the internet for the last 5 years at least. So today I'm going to be making over a mannequin, and as you can see here in these pictures, he's always got that hard part, that haircut where it's just a little bit of hair on top and really, really tight in the sides and a hard part. And that's always been his look. He's got that strong kind of square jawline. And today I'm gonna be creating a different type of haircut for him. So I'm going to breeze through it. So stick with me through the whole video so we can see what it looks like at the end. Ladies and gentlemen, I now present to you the new Cristiano Ronaldo. All right guys, let's break down what I did. So as I mentioned, Cristiano usually has a very extreme hard part through right here, very, very disconnected. So this is a crop top, this is something where I took in and I cut the top relatively short, probably about, I'd say, 1 inch to 1.5 inches the most throughout the top here. I faded it up on the sides, right through here with a number 1, went all the way up to about number 3 guard, and then I did everything else going scissor over comb. I cut it horizontally, I cut it vertically, and then the front I left last, and I kind of went in and cut that when it was dry. Then I used my product Clutch as a finishing product, and here we have the finished result. All right, YouTube, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know in the comments below what you thought about this haircut, and if you have any requests of somebody you want me to make over to create a new look for, please leave me in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and click the bell so you're notified of when my videos go live. And I will see you guys next time for more videos with the Salon Guy.